Hey guys, it's Jerry Metal Man Battaglia out here at the New York Auto Show. It is absolutely amazing. I wish you guys were here. So listen, hit that bell notification, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button on this video. There's so much awesome cars here at the New York Auto Show, guys. We're gonna just check out the new Toyota Supra GR. Check out this car, guys.
The Olympics is all about.
Awesome. Elise, you are an inspiration. Thank you so much. We hope to do this in person someday soon. Thank you so much, Elise.
Absolutely. Yes, I would hope for the same, and I appreciate you having me on. Thank you.
Elise Willoughby, everybody, rock star.
Yeah, Elise the Beast. I'm from Fast Athletes. Let's go to Fast Cars.
Fast Dog Racing with Ronnie. Hey, race fans! Who else likes fast cars out there? Yeah, we got some Supra fans, some GR fans, GR Corolla fans. But guess what, guys? We love racing here at Toyota. And as a matter of fact, we sponsor over 50 professional drivers around the world. As a matter of fact, we have cars in NASCAR that go over 200 miles per hour. We've got cars in NHR and drag racing that go over 300 miles per hour. And some of the best known drivers in the world drive for our NASCAR Cup team. And here they are on the big screen. Here they are. Say hello to Kurt Busch on the far left. He's our newest team member, driving along with his brother Kyle right next to him there. Mark Truex Jr., Chris Bell, Denny Hamlin, and Bubba Wallace. Hey, Matt, Kurt Busch is our newest driver. He drives for the 2311 race team, co-owned by none other than our own number 11, Denny Hamlin, and number 20, NBA legend.
So guys, stay tuned, man. I'm at the New York Auto Show, Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. It's absolutely amazing, guys. So, like and share this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.
I'll check.